In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to solve e-assessment MYP-5 final exam May 2022. So look at the first question. The first question is the probability of two events A and B illustrated in the Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram. So they give you probability of A not intersection B. It means A is not included, only B, so which is given. Then A B naught, it means B naught, so it means this one, which is equal to 4x. So they ask you to drag. So in the exam, just you will drag it here, so it will be 4x. So then A intersection B, so intersection mean the sharing portion, this one. So this is the answer is x. So how many marks for this one? 1 mark. And after that, the next question is question number 1b. Write down the value of A union B. A union B mean you will add all the values here. This is one, which is equal 4x plus x plus 3x. 4x plus x plus 3x, which is equal 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8 x. Okay, then they ask you find the value of A intersection B. A intersection B. So A intersection B equal to x, but we don't know what is the value of x. We are going to calculate. How to calculate? Look here, the sum of all probabilities always equal to 1. So 4x plus x plus 3x plus 0.2, which is equal to 1. So 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8x plus 0.2 equal to 1. So this is plus, will go there, it will become minus. So 8x equal to 1 minus 0.2, which is equal 0.8. So 8 is multiplying, when go there it will divide. So x equal 0.8 over 8. So x equal 0.1. So this is the value of x. So we'll put here 8 multiply 0.1, which is equal 0.8, and x, the intersection, the answer is 0.1. okay, look at 1d. Identify the event A and B are mutually exclusive. So mutually exclusive event, you need to understand if there is A event and B event, they are not sharing any common number or event, so they are mutually. But in the question, they are sharing, in simple words, so they are not mutually exclusive even. They are not mutually exclusive. Even. Okay. Look at the next question. In question number 2, they gave us a triangle. In this triangle, you can see this side, this side, this side, these sides are equal. So it means if they are equal to 5. So this is 5, 5, 5, and 5. Okay. So they are asking you determine the length of AF. We are going to find this one. They gave us this and this. It means they gave you two sides, this one and this one. So this is equal 5 and this is equal 10. And this is, right angle triangle. If right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So this is hypotenuse, mean AC square equal AF square plus FC square. What is AC? 100 and square. AF, it is required. FC, which is equal 5 square. So take 5 to other side. So AF square equal 100 square minus 5 square. No, sorry, here, which is equal, this is not 100, this is 10. This is 10. So 10 square minus 5 square, and because to cancel square root will take cancel square will take square root. So AF, which is equal, so just you can substitute in calculator directly, you can find the answer. So which is equal 8.66 or 8.7 after rounding off, so this is 8.7. Even you can write 8.6, it's okay, yeah, acceptable. Look at the C part. Find the length of AE. Find the length of AE. We are going to find AE, this length only. So, oh no, before we have this question number 2. In this question number 2, they are asking triangle AFC is similar to triangle AED. AFC, let me erase first. Triangle AFC, this one, the bigger one, is similar to triangle AED. Right, this is our question. Okay, so for these triangles we need to give the proofs or some comments which are necessary for this one. So look here, first of all, you see this triangle, this angle, you can write angle EAD. EAD is equal to angle FAC. Angle FAC. First thing, this angle is similar for both triangles. Okay. Another thing, we'll collect the evidence. Then you can see the AED, angle AED, it is right angle. So angle AFC equal to angle AFC. So both are right angles, so similar. Another thing, look here, this line is parallel to this line. So we can write a line and DE is parallel, or you can write like this, parallel to FC. If these two lines are parallel, so it mean, if two lines are parallel, so it mean this angle equal to this angle. So it mean angle ADE equal to angle ACF. So if if any triangle has three angles same, so this is, we call triangles are similar to each other. I hope it is clear. You have to collect the evidence and you have to show like this. This is the thing only. Find the length of AE. Now we are going to find the length of AE. Look here in this question, that a similar triangles, as we already in question number 2b we learned, these triangles are similar. So this side is similar to this, okay, and this side is similar to this, okay, this side is similar to this, correct? So if they are similar, so this is 5 and the whole is 10, okay, because two triangles and this is 8.67 or 8.7, whatever, is similar to x, which is required. So what is the rule? Because the smaller triangles are known, so smaller over the bigger, then smaller over the bigger. So what will we write? X over 8.6, x over 8.67 equal 5 over 10 equal 5 over 10, and x equal 0.5, because 5 divided 10 0.5 multiply 8.6, which is equal 4.3 something or 35. This is our answer. I hope it is clear. Now look at the next question. In this question, the following data is based on the candy produced in a factory. Okay, a quality control manager samples 150 bar of candies. There are bar of candies and records the weight. W is in gram the weight of each candy bar. The data shown in the cumulative frequency graph below. This is the cumulative frequency. Okay. Then there are 12 candy bar in the pack. So how many candy bars are there? 12. Okay. Using the median weight, 1 bar of the candy. So if there are 12 bar inside, so they are saying the 1 bar, the weight is the median of the given. So what is the median of, we can find from the graph. So we will see the median in this graph. So it's look, this is the graph, this is the median. So let me change the color. This is the graph. Okay, so here it is almost this one, 15.19 or 15.2, like that. So we can consider 15.19 the median. So this is the way of 1 bar. So total are 12 bars. So we will write, because 12 multiply 15.19, which is equal 182.28 or 182.3 after rounding. Okay, so this is the way of 12 candy bars. Look at the next question. In the next question, asking you to determine the value of n. So the frequency they gave us 10, 120. So look at the graph from 15 to 15.1, 15 to 15.1. Let me erase. 15 to 15.1 up to here, there are 10 candies. Okay, then after that they are saying 15.1 to k, up to what k is unknown, we don't know, up to k the frequency is 120. So we'll check where is 120 after that. So this is 10 plus 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110 and 120 up to what we will bring down. So it is equal up to 15.25. okay, so this is equal k, because after 10 to 120, so it is 130, so 130 to down up to here, so it is equal k. So what is k? 15 because look, they're asking you to find k for 2 marks. As I told you, 15.25. We checked here, 15.25. Yeah. After that, the next question, they are asking find the n. So after that, how many candy bars are remaining? So this is up to 30 to 50, which is equal 30 plus 10 40 plus 10 50, which is equal 20. So n equal 20 from the graph directly. Or the total frequency is 150. So 150 minus 120 minus 10 also equal 20. So this is our answer. After that, they are asking 6% of candies are rejected as the size is too large. Find the minimum weight of the rejected candies. First, we will find the 6% of the candies. So 6% of 150, right? Because total candies are 150. So 6% means 6 over 100 multiply 150. So answer, or directly you can put in calculator, you can find. Let me check. Which is equal 9. So 9 candies are rejected. So let's see in the way of 9 candies. Okay, let me erase first this one. Okay, we are going to see the 9 candies, because this is 150. So 9 candies almost here 41. almost here, okay, which is equal, here is we cannot up because it is little bit almost this one 15.3 or 15.31. This is because you know one box is mostly it is showing more than one, so almost close to this one. I hope you try to understand. So which is equal 15.3 or 15.31. Okay, if the way is 15.31 more than 15.31 or 15.3 more than 15.3 or 15.31 is rejected. This is answer. I hope it is clear. Look at the next question. In the next question they gave us the quadratic graph, the parabola graph. So we have two functions, f of x, g of x. Okay, in this function look here, this graph is opens down, opens up. If opens up, it means a is positive. If opens down, it means a is negative. So we have two functions, f of x and g of x. So as I told you, f of x opens up, so a is positive. A is positive. G of x opens down, so it is negative. And for b of f of x, because it is cross x-axis is greater than 0, so b is negative. And it cross c. What about the c? C cross the y because it is a y-intercept. It cross the y up in positive place because from here up is positive, down is negative. So it means c is here is negative and c is also positive because it is intersecting up. Look at the next one, because it is crossing at x is less than 0, so it means it is positive. Then next it is crossing the y line in y-intercept at negative place, so it will be negative. Just this is you know the basic information about the parabola. Look at question number 5. The diagram below shows sailing course of the yacht race. So it start from H to A, then A to B. They give us the information, the bearing angle. Okay, so in the bearing angle, you know, from H to A, the bearing angle is 60. Then A to B, the bearing angle is 150. So the question is, A part, show that the size of angle HAB is 90. It is, we know it is 90, this angle. So we have to prove how it is 90. Look here, first thing, you know, this line is parallel. If this line is parallel, so this is, which angle is it? Alternate angle. So this is alternate angle is 60, we understand. One more thing, we got it, one is 60. Second thing, we need this angle. We don't know what is this angle, but we know this is total is 180. So 180 minus 150, which is equal 30. So this is 30. This is 60. So we will write here 60 plus 30, which is equal 90. And you must show there, because 180 minus 150 equal 30. That's why we got 60. We know it is alternate, directly we can find. Then they ask you to calculate the distance B to H. Where is B? B to H. So this is right angle triangle. This is right. If right angle triangle, so this is angle right. So this is X, which is unknown, and two other sides are given. So what is the way how we can find, because of the Pythagoras theorem? So x square equal 100 square plus 250 and square. To cancel square, we take square root. So x equal, just substitute in calculator, we can find the answer directly, which is equal to 69.258, or if you want to round off in whole number, it is equal to 69. Okay, I hope understand. So this is equal 269. After that, C part, look at the C part, the course they are asking us now, you know, the same which we did already, it is also the same. Okay, just it is reflection, you know. They're asking you find the total root, and from h to b, we will find hb plus ba plus ac plus cd plus dh. Okay, from the previous question, some information we have already, so we can write as we just calculated, it is 269. So this is also 269. This is 100, so this is also 100. This is 250 we collected. So this distance we don't know, c and a. So as you know, we saw here in this question, actually it is the same. Yeah, about this question, this is given 60. If it is given 60, so it means this angle is 60. Okay, if that angle is 60, this is 100. We need, because this dividing into half, so we can find this x. This is right angle triangle, you know. So if right angle, we can use sine or cos, because this is 30, 60 and 90, 180. So what can we use? We can use sine or cos, whatever you like. So if I use, for example, sine, so sine 60, opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 60 opposite, which is x unknown, this is opposite, over Pythagoras over hypotenuse, which is equal 100. So x equal 100 times sine 60. So x equal what? Put in calculator, you will get the answer, which is equal 86.6, or we can write 87 after rounding off. Multiply by 2. Why multiply by 2? Because we got this one, so we need the total, so which is equal 173. 173. So we are going to add now all sides. So let me erase this one. So here what is hb? Hb is 269, ba equal 250, ac recently we found 173, plus cd, which is equal to 50, dh equal 269. Put in calculator, we will get the answer, which is equal 1211. So this is our final answer. So the total distance is 1211 meter. Okay, whatever the unit is given. I hope it is clear. Look at the next question. In the next question, look here, they are making the mask. Question number 6a, the designer creating two masks, mask A and mask B. Okay, they are creating using the geometrical shapes, symmetrical properties, interact with the stage control to how to see mask A is created. So 6 mask A is this one. It is how it is created. It is mean this is the information in simple way. This is a square. Okay, from square, you know, they cut this part. It is a circle which is given, which is 14. The diameter of circle is, so half circle is here, half circle, it means full circle. So first of all, we need to know the full area of the yellow part. So the full area is what? 20, and here also 20. So area equal 20 square, because it is a square. So 20 times 20 or 20 square equals same, which is equal 400. Okay, 400 centimeter, the total area. So from total area, we will subtract the area of circle, because both sides same circle. So area of circle equal to what? Pi r square. So pi, what is r? The half of the diameter. The diameter is 14. Half of 14 is 7 square. So just substitute in calculator, we will get the answer 153.9. So this is area of circle. Then the area of mask B. Area of mask B they gave us here, because the, you know, I put on the wrong place. So which is equal 100, it is given. And the line of symmetry mean it divide the given shape into two equal parts. So it means 50 here and 50 here. So this is 50, this is 50. So from the total area we will subtract this and this part. We will get the area of the yellow part. So let's see, 400 minus 153.9 or 154 minus 50, which is equal 196.06 or 196.1. So look here, they asked, the question was show that the area equal to this. So it was, as I got 196.1, if you round off it is 196 centimeter square. Proved. We have to show like that. Okay. Then in the B part, the wooden template, the mask B is shown. This is mask B. So look here, we have two different shapes. This is both shapes are trapezium, this one and this one, the small, the blue one and the wood one. Okay, so both are similar. How similar? Because the trapezium, you know, this side is similar to this side, this side is similar to this side, and they are parallel to each other. Okay, even they told us it is a similar trapeziums. So if they are similar, we have to show the area of mask. The area of this one is given, area is given 1184 centimeter square. So area of the small one is required, area of small one is required. So if the small one is required, so we write area over the capital which is given equal we write the small one up 4.7 because similar over 37.6. so because we are this is the side or this is area, so area equal not to, because side equal centimeter, area equal centimeter square. So to make square we'll take the square of the sides. Why we take the square of the side? Because we are comparing with the area, not side. If side will keep same, so sometime we will compare with volume, of volume comparing with the side, so we will keep cube because volume is cube. So now it is area, so area will be square. So now the next step, a equal, this is dividing, when go that multiply, so 4.7 over 37.6 whole square multiply 1180. For put in calculator we will get the answer, which is equal 18.5 centimeter square. So proved. I hope it is clear. Okay, C part. In the C part, the decoration of mask B, they are going to decorate. Okay, how to decorate? By using the triangles, small triangle and the big triangle. They give you the yellow paint available can cover the total area. So the triangles which you are going to draw, you will use the yellow paint for that one. But the total area what you can cover with the yellow paint is 80 centimeter square. So they gave us the small triangle area is 2. So number of triangles x. So 2x plus 5, the area of one triangle, the number of triangles y. So 5y. So total will be, because they gave us 80, so 80 centimeter square. And the other equation they gave us x equal 4y. So we can replace x with 4y. So 2x is equal 4y plus 5y equal 80. So 4 times 2 8, y plus 5y equal 80. 8 plus 5 13, y equal 80. So y equal 80 divided by 13. So y equal 6.15 or 6, because triangles completely we will not use the decimals. So now we need to find x, this is the number of y. So x equal for y, what is y? We go to 6. So x equal 24. So number of triangles, small triangles 24, the big triangles are 6. So now I'm going to stop here. Inshallah I will continue in the next class for the other remaining questions. If you like my way of teaching, and you understand how to solve e-assessment. So please motivate me in the comments and also share with your friends so I can solve the rest of questions. Take care. See you with new video.